Right, cars like this are impossible to buy. This is the VW Golf R Mark 8, but it's a 2372, so it's only a week old with delivery miles in pure white. This car has those key features that you will want on one of these cars, like the 19-inch Estoril black wheels. They're an option. It's also got the sunroof. It's got a winter pack. What about this for a hot hatch? The best, and I mean the best car to drive with its four-wheel drive system. It's 4.7 seconds 0 to 60. It is 320 brake horsepower. It looks modern from every angle, and it's a wonderful colour. For me, it's the wheels and the sunroof that make these cars. So if you're looking at a Golf, and there is one at a similar price to ours, which is brilliantly priced anyway, if it hasn't got those two things, then discount it, because you want one with those bits on, not only for you to enjoy, but for resale purposes as well. With 200 miles on this car, is like new. There is no damage on it. There's no marks on it. It smells new. It is new inside and out. And the Mark 8 has this wonderful lighting system across the front. It has these wonderful blue accents throughout. You'll see in the braking calipers on the interior as well. 19-inch Estoril black wheels. Again, with the white colour paint and the black wheels and the roof and the privacy glass, it looks wonderful because it's got that two-tone colour theme throughout. To the rear, IQ lights. To the Golf Mark 8, all very modern individual LEDs. This car has got reversing parking sensors and front parking sensors. It's got big boot space. It comes standard now with keyless entry, which used to be an option. Big boot space, through load facility. My car here also has a winter pack, which means it's got heated seats, and not every Golf R has that. It's an option, but it also has heated steering wheel. It has the wonderful celebrated Golf R interior. Again, I've mentioned it, continuing that blue theme from the exterior to the interior. And them R Sport seats, which are lovely. Crosshatch with the blue theme throughout again. Short shift DSG gearbox, wraparound cockpit. These cars are excellent. The 4Motion drivetrain is wonderful. It handles on every level because it is fast. It doesn't weigh a lot, this car, so you get a great performance from these Golf Rs. If you look at that front, and I've mentioned, you've got that blue theme through the centre and into the lights, but then you've also got the LED strip across the front end. Bigger bumpers front and rear from the R. And then jumping in. How many cars of these have we sold recently? It's such a hot car for us at the moment, really in demand. Blue theme, again, in the ambient lighting through this carbon effect trim that goes into the doors. Batmobile-esque steering wheel with extended paddle shifters, heated steering wheel. Obviously your adaptive cruise control now standard with your R mode here. There's your heated front seat, all touch operated from this screen. Heated front seat, all digital climate control, which now is all like this to fog my windows, warm my feet, warm my hands. Just an easy operating system, isn't it? Popping it in reverse, we've got the 360 graphic. We've got under here wireless phone charging. We've got the electronic park brake with hill hold assist. We've got 2 keys for the car. Everything's in place. The wonderful option of the panoramic tilt and sliding sunroof, which makes the car as well. But with only 200 miles on, this is an exceptional example, one not to be missed. So if you're looking for a Golf R, you might be looking around for a little while to get the one with the right spec. I think this one could be that car. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen and give me a call. Thanks for watching.